Yes.
Thank you so much for your patience in that quiet zone, everybody. Now, as a friendly reminder, we are going to head into another quiet zone in just a bit. Folks, I know that whole dinosaur situation on Skull Island was a little stressful. When I get stressed, like any good Californian, I know that the best way to relax is by going to the beach. So I'm going to take you all to this adorable little resort town called Amity Island, where it's like the 4th of July every day. Now, I have a friend who works here. His name is David. He is a police diver. So I'll go say hi to David. I hope you all brought your itsy bitsy teeny weeny yellow polka dot bikinis. Now, as we head over to Amity Island, friendly reminder, please remain seated and hold on. Okay, let's see. All right, so I see David's boat right over here, but I don't actually see him in the boat, so he might be on duty in the water right now. But no worries, we'll just take a quick dip in the water and then we'll continue our tour. Okay, yeah, looks like he's in the water right now. Oh my goodness, there is a shark in the water. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no, David. David, there's a shark. David, I need you to swim to the boat. Swim to the boat, David.
You okay, Brianna?
Yeah. Ew. Ew, David. Okay, I'm being told to clear the area, so we're gonna go hide behind this dock and these gasoline barrels. I think we'll be safer. Oh, I guess we got ourselves a real paradox now. This pier is on fire. good. Our shark is working, but a shark that did not like to work was the shark they used in Jaws. Here's the